Hello, we will be unboxing a pat bike, electric pat bike from iGo. So here, I'm gonna open it with my knife. So I got it open. So I bought it at Costco just this morning. So here's the charger pack. We'll put it aside there. Okay, it's a little bit heavy, but I know I can get it out there for sure. It's covered with plastic and some styler so it don't get scratched. So the easiest way to get it out on the box is I cut it on both sides and then get rid of this. It's way easy because it's a little heavy. So see, pat tire, disc brake. Okay, bear with me and I'll assemble it so we can go to test drive it. So finally I got it out from the box. Way easy, I just cut all the sides of the boxes. So it has the electric motor and pedal assist. So I got everything out and remove all the protective foam. Okay, so we'll start to assemble it by putting this first. Okay, so it's all done. I got everything installed properly. Lights, all the lights, the rack, and I got the keys. So here's the outlook. It's ready to ride. Move this. Make sure you register the serial number here. It's a good looking pat bike. I was thinking to use it for bird hunting with my small little shotgun. RST shocks with lockout and adjustable preload. The pedal assist. Alto's 8-speed, I believe. Yeah, and we'll go for a ride now. So key inserted and power on. So here now guys, I'm ready to ride. So the bike is fully assembled. This is my motorcycle saddlebag that I haven't used. So I put it on my new electric pat bike. So I got some stuff here. So I got the gloves ready to prevent the cold. I got the toolkit. Put it there. I got a knife. I got this charger. And I got some tea and coffee for warming up. And it's get too cold because I have this Campor Kobe stove. I'm gonna throw it there. Let's close this. So stove there. I got enough room. I got a kettle from GSI Outdoors. Gotta put it here. I got the bottle of butane. Put it there. And my mug that I can use directly to the fire. And got the utensil and then a pump. And more important, I got my toque So yeah, everything's in there, and especially a bottle of water. So I'm ready to ride now, guys. So see you on my next video. I hope you like this video. Thanks, bye.